Hi everyone, welcome back to school. Let us start our IIT chemistry classes. Today we are going to learn definitions of atoms, elements, molecules and compounds. This method is known as learning by comparison method. Let us see atoms. Atom is the smallest particle which cannot be further classified into other simpler particle. Okay, so here we can say atom size is approximately 10 power minus 8. Okay, it means it is very small size. Examples are oxygen atom, hydrogen atom, nitrogen atom. Element is a pure substance containing only one type of particles, and it is identified by the atomic number. For example, hydrogen element, oxygen element, nitrogen element. So we can say elements are present in the periodic table, and oxygen, it is a one example having atomic number 8. Now let us see about the molecule. So molecules are formed by two or more atoms combined together having the similar properties. For example, when two oxygen atoms are combining together, we are getting oxygen molecule and water molecule. When one hydrogen element and oxygen element, when they are combining together, we will get the water molecule. In the same manner, here nitrogen also, when two nitrogen atoms are combining together, we will get the molecule nitrogen molecule. Compound means when two or more atoms or elements or molecules in different ratio combined together, we will get the compound. Example is, we can take calcium carbonate. When calcium oxide reacts with carbon dioxide, we will get calcium carbonate. It is one of the example. So in this manner we can differentiate atom, element, molecule and compounds. Hi, about the elements, already I made a video. In that video 1 to 30 elements are there. 1 to 12 one video, 12 to 20 another video, 20 to 30 another video. There how we have to remember elements, I have given codes also. You have to remember that codes. If you are perfect, no need of codes. So I will repeat once again. Hi, hello, listen BBC News of New Delhi, Nagaland, Meghalaya. Hi, hydrogen, hello, helium, listen lithium, BBC beryllium, boron, carbon, news, nitrogen, of, OF, oxygen, fluorine, New Delhi, neon, Nagaland, natrium, nothing but sodium, Meghalaya, magnesium. So these are the 12. Now we have another code 12 to 20. All senior public schools closed around Kolkata Care City. All aluminium, senior silicon, public phosphorus, school sulfur, closed chlorine, argon around Kolkata, potassium, nothing but kalium, Care City, calcium. Another code is from scandium to zinc. मामा की शादी में स्कूटर, टीवी, कार मांगो फेंको नहीं करेंसी जियो जिंदगी. So here मामा की शादी में extra we have added scooter scandium, TV titanium vanadium, car chromium, mango manganese, फेको ferrum, cobalt, नहीं nickel, currency copper, जिंदगी zinc. In this manner you have to remember the code. If you are already perfect about these elements, no problem. You have to practice atomic number, mass number, their symbols and spellings. Okay, that is enough. So this I would like to ask you on first day of the school, that is 15th June. Okay, all the best, and try to remember the definitions of atoms, elements, molecules and compounds. If you are giving this definition, then you are good at chemistry. All the best, keep it up.